This is the Realme C33, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter network and internet category. Onwards, go for the calls and SMS, then calls. In here, choose what, SIM card you would like to use for them, for the phone calls, SIM1, SIM2, or Ask Every Time. And in here you can also change the SIM card preference for SMS messages as well. As far as the mobile network goes, just, open the respective SIM cards page. And in here, if you would like to set your SIM preference for this, the mobile data usage preference for this particular SIM card, just turn on this toggle. Since, those two SIM cards have this toggle on their respective pages, but those switches are mutually exclusive, so if you enable one, the other one will be automatically turned off. So that's how you change the SIM preference for cellular data usage. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.